The holidays could be the most expensive time of the year, but it's also the best time of the year to make money with these amazing side hustle apps. The first app I want to talk about is Mobi. This app will always have many gigs available in your area. It's one of the most busiest gig apps of its kind, but during the holiday season, there's a lot of seasonal gigs. So let's look at the app and see what's available in my area right now. So you have a map view here, or you could swipe up and then see a list view. So there's a lot that have bonuses now. If no one does the gig in the area for a couple of weeks, they'll put bonuses on to try to get it done. So let's see. As you could tell, basically every Publix, and in Florida, there's a Publix every 5 minutes. Every Publix has $7.50 to $8 worth of the gigs right now. So let's click on it. So the first one, the grain and freeze, this is not a seasonal gig, but it's going to be about rice and then refrigerated meals. Super easy. I've done a bunch of these. So here, this one at BJ's, No Malone Mission. This is a holiday gig. So they're going to have you go in and answer questions about holiday products. If there's holiday displays in the front of the store when you first walk in, if they have a dedicated seasonal section. Super easy. It tells you the difficulty, how many pictures, 2 to 13 pictures isn't a lot. These ones took me about 5 to 10 minutes to make $3.50. Well, not exactly $3.50 because this app pays in gift cards. So if I go to my profile right now, I could cash out $121 worth of gift cards. And I've cashed out recently. So that's only after like probably 3 or 4 days of doing this. And I have 6 missions that are pending. So once they get approved, then it will go into here. But even though it's gift cards, they have gift cards for pretty much anything. Dunkin' Donuts, or you could do Amazon. You're going to spend money on Amazon this holiday season. So having $120 worth of gift cards will really help me with my Christmas shopping. And then also you could do Uber Eats. You could do Home Depot. Pretty much anywhere that you're going to spend money out anyway. So it's pretty much the same thing as cash. And as you could see, if we look at the map view right now, I could go leave my house and make hundreds of dollars worth of gift cards with this app to help with my holiday shopping. So definitely download Mobi. Now is the best time to get into it because during the holidays is the most busy season for this app. The next app is going to be Field Agent. If you need cash in a couple of days, then this is going to be the app for you. Same type of thing. It's in-store audits and tasks. So you're going to have to go to stores. You don't have to deliver anything. You don't have to use your vehicle. So this is going to have less gigs than Mobi, but the difference is the gigs are going to drop all day long. With Mobi, they're not going to drop like maybe every week or month. There'll be new ones, but they're not going to have new ones throughout the day. With Field Agent, it's not going to be as seasonal, but there will be gigs available. And this one pays cash, direct deposit. So if I go to my earnings, the ones that you do are going to be in review, and then you could cash out. I've made almost $6,500 with this one app, and you'll get paid in a couple of days. So let's see what type of tasks there are. So this one, 7-Eleven cooler audit. This is literally just going in and taking one picture of the Red Bull cooler at 7-Eleven. As you could see, I've done a lot of these yesterday. They were so easy. You literally just walk in, walk out of the store. So I did $20 worth of those yesterday in about 30 minutes because 7-Elevens are like, some of them are only like 3 or 4 minutes away from each other. Like there was a lot of 7-Eleven gas stations. So I was able to do a lot of these. Most of them are going to be simple tasks like that. Some of them are going to take a little bit longer for not that much money. But once you get good at this, you could see in this populated area, West Palm Beach, unlimited gigs would definitely be worth going there. So now these 7-Eleven ones, you could go around all day, make hundreds of dollars with the Field Agent app. Definitely a great app for saving up some money and getting some quick cash for this holiday season. The next app that I'm going to talk about pays the most per gig, but there's going to be a lot less gigs, and that is going to be Observa. You could see that these alcohol category photo audits, $15. They can go all the way up to $18 if no one does it. There's nothing less than $10 on this app at the moment. I would stay away from the ones like this, shelf management. You're going to have to talk to the store. But all of these $12 and $15 ones, you're not going to have to talk to anybody. You just go in, take a bunch of pictures. I would start with Field Agent or Mobi because they're going to be a little bit easier. But once you know how to do that, you could go make a lot more money with the Observa app. And this one pays cash through PayPal. So probably in about a week, you will get the cash. Perfect in time for the holiday seasons. So click the links down below to sign up with these apps and start making some money with these side hustle apps to help you get through this expensive time of the year.